Picked up 3 new plants today, and one of them is this dwarf banana. This thing should be able to get to about 7 feet, I would think. It's going to be on the porch for the summer for as long as I can keep it out here. I'm putting it into a larger pot today, a very large pot actually. That's because I do not ever want to have to repot this. I also picked up a new product for me. It's starting to rain. I'm gonna do this really quick. Here's the pot I'm using. I'm using it. It has great drainage. Yeah, there's a storm coming. Let me see. It's a big pot because, like I said, I don't ever want to have to transplant it. I have some. Oh, see, this is wrong already. I'm in a hurry. The first thing that I'm doing. These are for hanging baskets, I cut one up. I'm putting it in here to prevent the excess soil and stuff from washing out. Like so, to cover them drainage holes. This is the same stuff that's in those bags I showed you, except I had a bag of this, so I started mixing some of this in there too for tropical plants. Big difference I noticed between the two products is this has lava rock in it. Oh, the wind's slowing down at least. Am I even recording? Yeah, so that's good. Woo! The banana plant. Loosen them roots up a little bit, simulate some new growth. Here we go. Banana plant. I had already put this one into a pot. Here's the other one right here. There we go. 3 plants potted. I wanted to get some of this on film because eventually these plants will be in the house, big and beautiful and all their glory. And I wanted to have some before and afters. These are basically elephant ears. Here's the 2 elephant ears. There's the 2 elephant ears right there. Potted. Let's get the tag in it. They'll be staying on the porch though over the summer. The rain stopped, sun come back out. Just gonna hydrate them. See if they need a little more, a little top dressing, which I'm sure they will. But here they are. It was one more view of this guy here. Yeah, these are all huge pots. I know, I get it. But I don't want to repot them. I don't like repotting my stuff. I like to just let them grow. I do know that it's recommended, just go 1 pot size up, let them grow out, transplant them, repot them. That's, I believe that advice is primarily to make sure people aren't drowning their plants. you know. There's no root mass in this pot, you know, really at all. When I water, I'll be watering right at the root ball, and as time goes, slowly watering out. But this is going to grow really quick. Banana plants grow really fast. I would think within 2 years it will be full size in the house. Probably, you know, 7 foot tall. I mean, at least, you know, a 12-foot span. His leaves will be coming out both directions.